Under Template on the left side, click the Add Section button. In the search box that appears, type Vfitz and select Vfitz search bar 3 from the search results. Move the newly added apps component to an appropriate location. Use the Settings panel on the right to personalize the menu settings. Menu structure is for setting the properties and sequence of the drop-down menu. Be aware that the input range is limited to specified fixed values: make, year, model, sub_model, engine, which should be separated by commas. Menu alias is for setting the alias displayed in the drop-down menu. The sequence should be consistent with menu structure, and they should be separated by commas. You might want to try editing other settings to change the style of the drop-down menu. To make the menu fill the entire page width, click on the Apps button on the left side. Then, in the panel on the right, deselect the option Make Section Margins the Same as Theme. Thank you for watching, and I hope this can help you.